everyone, I'm Fiona. We all know that using central vacuum system can save energy, specifically in terms of saving electricity as well as steam energy. The central vacuum system is divided into first stage condenser, second stage condenser, buffer tank. First stage condenser, diameter 1200 mm, height 6 meter, volume 10 cubic meter, vacuum inlet pipe diameter DN500. Second stage condenser, diameter 850 mm, height 3 meter, exchange area 100 square meter, water inlet and outlet diameter DN150, buffer tank, diameter 1800 mm, height 1.5 meter, volume 5 cubic meter, drainage pipe diameter DN125. Using the central vacuum system can provide the stable vacuum pressure for EPS shaping molding machine between negative 0.6 bar to negative 0.75 bar. Since this central vacuum system is a highly customized item, so if you are interested in our machine, please leave a comment below or contact with us by email. See you next video.